Are you tired of carrying keys everywhere or worrying about lost or stolen ones? Then it's time to upgrade your home security with a digital deadbolt. Digital deadbolts, also known as smart locks, offer keyless entry using PIN codes, fingerprints, or even your smartphone, making your life easier and your home more secure. Smart lock systems combine convenience with advanced security features like auto-locking, tamper alerts, and remote access. In today's video, we're going to explore the best digital deadbolts you can buy right now. From budget-friendly options to premium smart locks with advanced features, we'll compare security, ease of use, and value so you can find the perfect fit for your home. Make sure to check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. And stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which digital deadbolt is right for you. Number 1. Eufy Security Smart Lock C220. The Eufy Smart Lock offers a range of features designed for your convenience and security. With a battery life of up to 8 months, you can enjoy reliable performance without frequent replacements. The smart lock uses self-learning AI to enhance fingerprint recognition, ensuring quick and accurate access every time. You can control the lock from anywhere thanks to its built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to manage access and receive notifications through the Eufy Security app. Installation is a breeze, taking only about 15 minutes without the need for drilling, making it perfect for any homeowner. What we like: easy installation, strong build quality, seamless app integration, fingerprint and code access, auto lock feature. Number 2. Philips 4200 Series Wi-Fi Keypad Door Lock. The Philips Wi-Fi Keypad lock offers a smart and secure way to control your front door. It connects directly to your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi without needing extra devices, so you can manage your lock anytime from your smartphone. Using the Philips Home Access app, you can lock or unlock your door remotely, manage user codes and fingerprints, and even view who accessed your door in real time, perfect for peace of mind. Plus, it works with Alexa and Google Assistant, letting you lock your door with simple voice commands when your hands are full. The fingerprint sensor unlocks your door in just 0.3 seconds, giving you fast, keyless entry for you and your trusted family or visitors. What we like: direct Wi-Fi connection, remote app control, voice assistant compatibility, fast fingerprint access. Number 3. Yamiry Keypad Smart Door Lock. The Yamiry Smart Door Lock offers enhanced security with its durable aluminum construction, preventing potential tampering. It's designed for convenience, easily fitting most standard American doors and requiring just a screwdriver for installation. With full app control, you can manage up to 50 passwords and fingerprints, making it simple to provide access to family or friends. Plus, the multiple unlocking methods, like using an app, fingerprint, or key fob, give you flexibility and ease of use, ensuring you can enter your home in various ways. What we like: high security materials, easy installation, remote access via app, multiple unlocking options. Number 4. Veise V06H Smart Front Door Lock Set. The Veise Smart Door Lock offers 5 convenient ways to unlock your door, including a smartphone app, keypad code, key fobs, mechanical key, and thumb turn. This flexibility lets you choose the best method for your lifestyle. With app control, you can manage access remotely, share digital keys, and keep track of who enters your home, adding extra peace of mind. You can also set up multiple user codes, perfect for guests or house sitters, letting you customize access with one-time or recurring codes. Plus, the lock includes smart security features like auto-locking, privacy mode, and an anti-peeping keypad to keep your home safe and secure. What we like: multiple access methods, remote app control, customizable user codes, advanced security features. Number 5. Nice DIGI Keypad Door Lock with Handle. The Nice DIGI Keyless Lock offers a convenient keyless entry system, allowing you to set up to 20 unique access codes for family and friends, plus temporary codes for visitors, so you never have to worry about lost keys. It includes 2 physical backup keys for emergencies. Before buying, you should check your door's thickness and hole size to ensure the lock fits perfectly. Installation is quick and easy, taking about 5 minutes with just a screwdriver, and it works on both left and right-handed doors without extra drilling. The lock also features a backlit keypad, making it easy to use at night, and includes low battery alerts, silent mode, and a water-resistant design for added durability. What we like: multiple access codes, easy 5-minute installation, backlit keypad for night use, water-resistant design, emergency physical keys.